Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today we have Shri Jaishankar Mishra, retired IRS, and Honorable Chancellor Sushant University, Gurugram with us. So it's a honor to have you with us.
Thank you very much. It was really a great conclave, and the topic has been very relevant for the times.
So I would like your views on how such conclaves organized by institutions like SMS Lucknow are beneficial for students in terms of how they deal with mental anxiety and other problems.
I think, look here, to sort out any problem, first of all, you have to identify the problem and identify the reasons behind it. Then you can think of the solutions. In that case, I think the School of Management Sciences has done a great job, taken a great initiative by organizing a conclave of principals on this mental health and well-being about teachers as well as the students, and also the need to create an ecosystem to sort out the problem. So, because these days, because of the emerging technology, daily pressure, the students which are with such institutions, they have come for the first time probably out of their families, financial issues, job uncertainties, pollution issues, health issues, a lot of issues are there. So it creates a lot of tension, a lot of anxiety, a lot of disorder, a lot of stress. So it is very essential to think, to be sensitive, to be empathetic for these institutions to their needs. At the same time, I am very happy with this topic, but they kept it for faculty also and for teachers as well. How to make an ecosystem that is helpful not only to students but to the educators as well, because they are under equally tremendous pressure, and that too on a regular basis. In other institutions, in other organizations, sometimes the situation emerges when there is a tension and anxiety, but here there is daily pressure. And a burnt out teacher, it's very obvious, a burnt out teacher can never effectively help a struggling student. So it's a very relevant topic, and I must congratulate the CEO and secretary and director and everybody, the whole team who thought about it and organized it. It has been successful, tremendously successful. Wonderful. Congratulations.
So it's a great honor to have you, and we'd like to have you again in the future at SMS Lucknow. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.